G'day, welcome to Retro Racer. We're here at Sampatong Raceway in northern Thailand on holidays, and I'd ordered this, what I believe to be a Tokyo Plamo Ferrari 250 GTO. I stand to be corrected on that. It arrived just yesterday. We've been here a couple of days, and so this morning I set about cleaning out the motor with contact cleaner and lubing everything up and putting it back together. And I had to swap the front tyres to the rear to get a little bit of grip and a little bit of sanding, and away she went. A fantastic old jigger, beautiful. Enjoy the video.
3, 2, 1, go! Fastest lap by car 55. Car 55 did a new fastest lap. Fastest lap by car 55. Car 55 did a new fastest lap. Fastest lap by car 55. Fastest lap by car 55. Red flag. Red flag. Fastest lap by car 55. Fastest lap by car 55. Car 55 did a new fastest lap. Fastest lap by car 55. Fastest lap by car 55.